How to fix PDF not opening in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix PDF file not opening in iPhone. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. To fix a PDF file not opening on iPhone, you'll first need to try restarting your iPhone. So you can simply shut down your iPhone. So to do that, you can head over to settings. Let's get back here. After you're on your settings, simply go to general, scroll down all the way, and there you'll find shutdown button. Shut down your iPhone and then turn it back on. After you've done that, you might also want to go ahead updating your iOS. So for that, head over to general again on your settings. There you'll find software update, and inside software update, if you see an update available like this, tap on update now or schedule it for later on. Just update your iOS. And after you've done that, you will also need to make sure that you have a PDF reader app. So for example, it can be an Adobe Acrobat installed from the App Store, and you can simply open up the PDF from there. Or also you'll need to check stuff like if your file is corrupted or not. So this is a PDF, as you can see. So this is a PDF document, if you can see from right here. So yeah, you'll need to make sure that the file that you're trying to open is not corrupted. As this PDF is opened, it means that it's not corrupted. So what you might want to do is delete that corrupted file and re-download it from the source where you downloaded it. And yeah, after you've done that, your problem should be fixed. So restart your iPhone, that's first fixed. Update your iOS, and then you can download a PDF reader like software. Open up your App Store, search for Adobe Acrobat, and after you search for Adobe Acrobat Reader, you should find it right here. Simply download the app and then your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.